Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. In this video, we will learn PI planning in SAFe 6.0, and we will visually walk through day 1 and day 2. PI planning is a big all-hands planning event. It brings together an Agile Release Train, or ART, usually 50 to 125 people. They plan the next 8 to 12 weeks of work, which in SAFe 6.0 is called a planning interval. Why do we do PI planning? Alignment, coordination, and capacity. Alignment means everyone builds the same product. Coordination means teams see their dependencies. Capacity means we only commit to work we can actually finish. In SAFe 6.0, the name PI often means planning interval. The focus shifts to business agility and flow. Flow means reducing handoffs and delays, so value moves smoothly to the customer. Before the event starts, leaders prepare the top 10 features, the product vision, and the business context. These inputs help teams plan quickly. Now, let's elaborate day 1. We begin with business context, then product and architecture visions. After lunch, teams break out, estimate capacity, and draft plans. Finally, there is a draft plan review and a management review to remove roadblocks. Day 2 is about finalizing commitment. Management shares adjustments, teams finalize plans and business value, risks are roamed, and everyone takes a fist of 5 confidence vote. The ARC planning board is the source of truth. It shows feature delivery, dependencies between teams, and important milestones. During team breakouts, teams calculate capacity. For each full-time person, we start with 8 points per sprint. Then we subtract 1 point for each day off. Here is the formula and a quick example. Risks are handled using ROAM. Resolved means the problem is fixed. OWNed means someone takes responsibility. Accepted means we live with it. Mitigated means we had a plan B. Finally, here are the key people in the room. The release train engineer who runs the event, product management who sets priorities, system architects who guide technical direction, business owners who validate value, and the teams who build the work. That is PI planning in SAFe 6.0. It aligns the Agile Release Train, improves flow, and builds a realistic plan. Thanks for learning with me at PM Expert.